In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workload view in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or just coordinating your own tasks, having a clear view of everyone's workload is crucial for efficiency and management. So let's dive right in. First, open Monday.com and head over to your workspace. This is your personal dashboard where you keep all your boards and projects. If you're not familiar yet, the workspace is like the command center of your Monday.com account, where everything you manage is organized. It's easy to find, usually on the left side of your screen, so take a moment to locate it if you're on a different page. Once you're in your workspace, glance over to the top section of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but focus on locating and clicking on the view type. This is a drop-down menu that allows you to see the tasks and projects in different ways. Monday.com offers a range of views, like timeline, calendar, and workload, all tailored to help you get a better picture of your schedule and teamwork. After clicking to open your view type options, the next thing you want to do is look for a button or link that says Add Widget. Widgets in Monday.com are essentially add-ons or modules that extend the functionality of your view. They let you personalize what you see according to your needs. So, to personalize your workspace and get that workload observation going, click on Add Widget. But we're not quite done yet. Now you need to expand your widget options. You'll see an option labeled More Widgets. Don't hesitate to click on it to explore a wide variety of widgets that Monday.com provides. This extensive collection of widgets can cater to different functions and viewpoints, helping you streamline your work by adding the exact kind of data visualization you need. Now that you're exploring more widgets, here's the crucial part. Locate the one marked as Workload. It might take a few seconds to spot it because of the numerous options available, but once you do, go ahead and click on Add Widget. This step will insert the workload view into your workspace, effectively allowing you to monitor the workload distribution among your team members or across your tasks. This feature ensures that you're aware of who is working on what and when, assisting you in managing potential bottlenecks and enhancing team productivity. And there you have it, a newly created workload view neatly inserted into your Monday.com workspace. You can now customize it further, adjusting settings like timeframes and visibility preferences to match your specific project needs. With this setup, you gain a powerful edge in balancing workloads and keeping your team on track for success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips on optimizing your Monday.com experience.